Hello and welcome, new and old subscribers. If you are a visitor, subscribe now. And if this is your first time, I'm thrilled that you're here. Let's get this Dollar Tree haul started. Wow, Valentine's Day galore. Do you see all the red and pink? It is totally Valentine's season. Look at these recordable greetings. Awesome. Mixtapes. You know who the mixtapes generation is? You know. If you know, you know. Awesome finds. And just enjoy all the Valentine's items Dollar Tree has to offer. I must say, these bags, tote bags, are gorgeous. They're the plastic bag, and this one has hearts all over it. And then the black and white with the gold hugs and kisses, XOXO. I just love this one. This is gorgeous. And this, out of these two, are my favorite. Cupid's Sweetheart Cafe, delicious chocolates, heart candy. Can you believe it? Awesome find. Wow, these are the Zoid Rotary Cutters that have been going around my Dollar Tree. Finally has them. They came in 3 different sizes. I'm not sure why I didn't get my picture with all 3 sizes. But for some reason I only got 2 sizes, but it comes in a 28, 45, and 60 millimeters, I believe it is. And then, can you believe it? At another big name store, the 45 millimeter one costs $9.99, and the 60 millimeters cost $18.79. That is definitely a deal and a steal at Dollar Tree. Plus, always remember, it seems like when you look for these items online, in the online store mostly, they tend to be a little more pricier than they would actually be in the store. But again, in this case, it's definitely still a deal and a steal. Name brand spaghetti sauce. Ragu, that 4 different types. They have the traditional, they have the one with the meat, they have the garlic parmesan sauce, roasted garlic parmesan, and then they have the classic Alfredo. Wow, for you to enjoy, you can get one of all of them, one of each. And then Dollar Tree has the pizza crust. What can you do with sauce and pizza crust? You know where this is going, right? Can you taste it? And then finally, they have pepperoni. You can put it on your pizza. You can use the bread and the sauce from Dollar Tree. I didn't find any cheese at my Dollar Tree, but maybe your Dollar Tree carries cheese. But most of the time, all of us have some type of cheese in our home. And plus, this bread, can you believe it? The bread. This is called Papa Pita, Greek style pita, 6 flatbread, whole wheat. So you can use these if you don't want to use the pizza crust. You can use the flatbread, the pita pocket bread. So you have choices to make a pizza using Dollar Tree items. Yes, a simple and easy meal, especially for the new year. Last but not least, we have the pink collection. This one is just the Power Cleaning Toilet Bowl Cleaner Gel. Enjoy. I just want to say this is my very last Dollar Tree haul for 2024. Can you believe it? It's almost over. Wow. I just want to thank all of my subscribers and those who are not my subscribers for watching, liking, commenting. I am truly thankful for all of you. I haven't quite reached my goal yet, but I will get it in 2025. Again, I want to thank everyone. I just want to say, may the Lord bless you and keep you in 2025.